China's recent two-day military drills around Taiwan have been condemned as a blatant provocation to the international order, according to a statement from Taipei on Saturday. These war games, which encircled the self-ruled island, concluded with heightened tensions and international concern. The drills commenced just 3 days after Taiwan's President Lai Ching-te took office. In his inauguration speech, Lai reiterated Taiwan's commitment to its sovereignty, a declaration that Beijing swiftly denounced as a confession of independence. China views Taiwan as part of its territory and regards President Lai as a dangerous separatist. By Friday evening, China's state-run military news channel CCTV-7 announced the completion of the operation dubbed Joint Sword 2024A. The exercises were extensive, involving simulated strikes on Taiwan's leadership, ports and airports. Chinese military analysts reported to state news agency Xinhua that People's Liberation Army vessels had inched closer than ever before to Taiwan shores during these maneuvers. Ensuring peace and stability across the region is related to the common interest of the international community. However, China's recent unilateral provocation not only undermines the status quo of peace and stability in Taiwan Strait, but it is also a blatant provocation to the international order, triggering serious concern and condemnation from the international community. Taiwan emphasized the call for peace and mutual benefit, urged Beijing to consider the well-being of people on both the sides of the Taiwan Strait to stop all forms of political and military intimidation and to pursue coexistence and mutual benefit. Despite the rising tensions, Taiwan remains steadfast. Taiwan reassured the public that President Lai and the National Security Team are fully aware of the situation and are prepared to respond to any developments. Taiwan, a self-ruled island with its own democratically elected government, military and currency, continues to face pressure from Beijing, which has not ruled out the use of force to bring the island under its control. The international community watches closely as these developments unfold with serious concerns about the stability of the region and the implications for global peace.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.